Hello children, welcome to online 6th standard computer science 9th class. Already completed the lesson 3, introduction to Adobe Photoshop CS6. Today we will learn about lesson 3 book exercise and question answers. Okay ma? Okay. Now I am going to read the book exercise. You should write neatly and correctly. Use pen only. All of you take page number 34. First option A. Multiple choice questions. First one. Which tool is used to select adjacent parts of an image? Option A. Crop. Option B. Magic Wand tool. Option C. Marquee. Answer is B. Magic Wand tool. Second one. Which is the latest version of the Photoshop? Option A. CS3. Option B. CS5. Option C. CS6. Answer is option C. CS6. Which shortcut key is used to use Magic Wand tool? Option A. W. Option B. X. Option C. Y. Answer is W. Option A. 4. Which tool is used to drag a part of an image to another location? Option A. Move. Option B. Grab. Option C. Lasso. Answer is option A. Move. Fifth question. The selected part of the image is called option A. Cropping Marquee. Option B. Cropping Mask. Option C. Cropping Major. Answer is option A. Cropping Marquee. Next B. Filling the blanks. The first version of Photoshop software was named as Display Program. Second one, Photoshop images are dash images, bitmap images. Third one, images are made up of dash pixels. The shortcut key to use crop tool is C. The Photoshop files are saved with .psd extension. Sixth question. The Photoshop Tools panel is present in dash side of its window, left side of its window. C. True or false? First one. There are 3 types of lasso tools. Answer true. Adobe Photoshop was launched in 1987. True. Next. You cannot crop. Third question, you cannot crop an image in Photoshop. Answer false. The latest version of Photoshop is CS6. Answer true. Thomas Knoll developed Photoshop. Answer true. Match the following. First one, bitmap images consist of. Answer is pixels. In CMYK color mode, K stands for. Answer black. The default view of Photoshop is. Answer essentials. The tool used to select any part of image having straight lines. Option C. Polygonal lasso. Fifth one. The selected part of the image within your selection is known as cropping marquee. Cropping marquee. Then label the tools panel of the Photoshop. First one, selection tools. These tools are selection tools. Then this is paint and retouching tools. Second one, paint and retouching tools. Third one, this is text and drawing tools. Text and drawing tools. Fourth one, these tools are view tools. View tools. Then other one is other tools. Other tools. Next, question answers. First question, what is the Photoshop? Write 2 features of Adobe Photoshop. Page number 25. Answer, Photoshop is a graphics. editing software program used to edit or modify as well as create new images. Photoshop is developed by Adobe Systems. It is widely used by lots of photographers, as artists, and some people that handle graphics. Features of Adobe Photoshop are user-friendly interface, retouching and transforming of photos are easily possible. Next. Next question. What are the different selection tools? Page number 30. The answer. The different selection tools are: first one marquee tool, second one lasso tool, third one magic wand tool, fourth one graph tool, fifth one quick selection tool. Next, third question. What is the use of crop tool? Page number 30. Crop tool is used to select a required part of the image and removes the unwanted part outside the selected part of the image. Next, fourth question. What is the use of magic wand tool? Page number 32. Magic wand tool is used to select the adjacent parts of an image which are in the same color. Then fifth question. How will you insert an image in Photoshop? Page number 28 and 29. Answer. To insert an image in Photoshop, follow the given steps. First step, select File menu, then Place option from the drop-down menu. Second step, the Place dialog box opens. Third step, click the drop-down arrow of Look in text box. Then fourth step, select the image according to your choice. Fifth step, click on the Place button. Sixth step, the selected image appears in the Photoshop window. Click and drag it to the place where we want to see it. Then application based questions. Take page number 35. First question. Rima has inserted the images of flowers and she wants to select an irregular area of the image. Which tool will you suggest her to do the task? Answer. Lasso tool. Answer. Lasso tool. Second question. Neha has placed an image of her family in the Photoshop. Now she wants to save this picture including only her family members by removing rest of the image. Which tool should she use? Answer is crop tool. Answer. Crop tool. Next, activity zone. First, this is grab. Crop. C-R-O-P. Crop. L-A-S-S-O. Lasso. P-H-O-T-O-S-H-O-P. Photoshop. M-O-V-E. Move. D-O-D-G-E. Dodge. E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L-S. Essentials. M-A-R-Q-U-E-E. Marquee. Listen ma, all of you. Can you understand ma? Okay. Next, homework. Study and write lesson 3 book exercise and question answers. All of you study and write lesson 3 book exercise and question answers. Have you understood? Okay. Thank you, children.